Hello, everyone. My name is Stan. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use your online Google Calendar. Many people think about keeping an online diary or calendar, but have some concerns to privacy. These fears are misplaced. If you use the correct security settings, you need not be worried. You can compare it to using Gmail or Hotmail for sending and receiving messages. In those programs, your private messages are also displayed online, but you are the only person who can access them. An online calendar has the same advantages as online email. If you need to work in several different locations and use different computers, an online calendar is just the thing for you. No matter where you are, you can always check your calendar on the internet. You can also share your online calendar with others. In this way, your family members or colleagues can keep track of upcoming events. You can also create public calendars that are accessible to a specific group. For instance, this could be a good way to share information with all the members of your club or organization. This video includes the following main topics: make and edit appointments, search for appointments, view your calendar offline, add a public calendar, and share calendars. I hope you will enjoy this video and learn a lot from it. Let's start it. In chapter 4.1, I'm going to introduce how to enter and edit appointments on Google Calendar website. Before you use the calendar, you need to sign in first. You can sign in with your Google account. Open Internet Explorer. Browse to www.google.com/calendar. In the right-hand side of the window, please type the username for your Google account and type your password. Click Sign In. You will see a welcome window. Now, you see an empty calendar. If you are editing this calendar in the afternoon or in the evening, look for the scroll bar on the right-hand side of the window and drag it up until you can see the morning hours. On Friday, click 9 a.m. You will see a small window. Type dentist in the what text box. The default duration for an appointment is 1 hour. To change this, please click Edit Event Details. Delete 10 a.m. and then type 9:30 a.m. If necessary, you can type a location by where and additional information by description. If necessary, drag the scroll bar downwards. You can enter various reminders. They will appear in pop-up windows or be sent to you by email. Click Add a reminder by reminder. Click Email and choose Pop-up. Double-click 10, type 1. Click Minutes and then change it to Days. Click the radio button. Next to Private. Click the button Save. Here is a tip for you. Change the time of an appointment. You can also edit the duration of an appointment in the calendar itself. Place the mouse pointer on the lower edge of an appointment. The pointer will turn into like that. Drag the mouse pointer upwards or downwards to change the time. You can move an appointment by dragging it to a new day and time. Place the mouse pointer on the appointment. Drag the appointment to any place. Here is another tip for you. Change appointment. If you want to change an existing appointment, you need to open the Details window. Click the appointment. Click Edit Event Details. Change the detailed data, and then click Save. In the Details window, you can also add appointments directly. This is especially useful if you need to enter an appointment outside of the current period. This way, you will not have to look up the date in your calendar first. There is a disadvantage, however, with this method. You cannot see if you have any other appointments already scheduled on or around that date. Click Create. Click to add a title. Type Fitness. Click that day. You will see a calendar. Click Friday in that week. Delete the time. Type 10 a.m. If you like to work out the same time each week, you can set this appointment as a repeat appointment. Please check the checkbox next to the word Repeat. You can make changes to the repeat appointment. In this example, everything stays the same. Then, click Done. Now, you see that the appointment is set to occur on a weekly basis. Then, click Save. The new appointment has been entered. The topic of chapter 4.3 is searching for appointments. Have you forgotten when your next dentist appointment is? Here is how to look it up. In the search box, please type dentist. Then click Search My Calendar. Here is a tip for you to do extensive search. In the exercise above, you searched for an appointment by its name. You can use other search options as well, such as the name of the location or any other attributes of the appointment. Click Show Search Options. Then type the search conditions. You can enter multiple conditions, as long as these conditions were entered as attributes of the appointment at the time it was placed. Click Search. You will see the appointment. Then click Back to Calendar. In this example, the calendar is displayed as a list. This is a clear and simple way to view appointments over long periods. You can also view the full calendar in the same way, in the right hand side of your window. Please click Agenda. Now, you see the full calendar is displayed as a list. To display appointments that apply to you only, by your name is My Calendars. Click here. Then click Display only this calendar. Now, only the appointment information that applies to you will be displayed. To go back to displaying the calendar by week, click Week. In chapter 4.4, I am going to introduce how to view your calendar offline. The calendar is stored and maintained on one of Google servers, but you can view your calendar offline as well. In the top right of the window, please click Offline. And then, please click Enable Offline Access. Now, the Google Calendar will sync the data to your computer. From now on, you can also use it offline. Now, please try to disconnect your computer. Please keep your eye on the upper part of the window. The symbol changed already. Not connected. Your appointments will look like this. When you place your mouse pointer on the appointment, click the dentist appointment. You will see the information. Please note that while you are working offline, you cannot change or delete appointments. Let's go online again. Please refresh the page. And then click Connect. Now you will see your calendar online. The icon indicates that you are working online again. The topic of Chapter 4.6 is sharing calendars. To share your warm calendar with others, you need to take the following steps. The first, in your calendar, please click a calendar and then click Share this calendar. By person, please type the Gmail address of the person who is allowed to view your calendar. Now you can see the permissions. Then click See All Event Details to change this option to See Only Free and Busy. Click Save. If this person doesn't yet have a Google Calendar, you can send them an invitation. Click Invite or Don't Invite. If you no longer want to give someone access to your calendar, you can remove their email address. In your calendar, please click a calendar and then click Share this calendar. In the bottom part of the window, by the email address, please click the symbol of the trash can. Now, the address has been removed. After all, click Save. If you have finished using the calendar, you can click Sign Out.